Do you know birds hold funerals for their dead? Welcome to Life and Cosmic Chronicles. Not just humans, magpies mourn too. Australian magpies discover a dead flock member and gather silently. Up to 40 birds in a protective circle for up to 30 minutes. No calls, just stillness as they peck gently at feathers, drop twigs like offerings. Scientists debate, learning danger signals or genuine grief processing? Either way, corvid brains show complex emotions rivaling primates, etched memories that shape future caution. Real emotion or survival instinct? Comment heart or brain below. Silent circles across cosmic time. They remember. Who remembers you? Like, subscribe. Tomorrow's secrets await.